Yeah. Oh yeah, type shit, yeah. Yeah. Bro just got a new project, 77 Cutlass. Out here running. Heat exhaust, but you know. What you expect from my old school. Heat exhaust, you know, need body work. Nice foundation though, very solid foundation. Running. So self-made squad, we back. So it's a few different things we can get and use in this wiring situation. So these right here, they can always be used for a lot of different applications. They're always just good to kind of have laying around in case you need an inline fuse holder for anything. Now Walmart's got these for a couple different prices. This particular one I'm holding right now, they want $297, and then they also have one for $497. The ATC, and the one I'm holding is an ATM. These here, I'm thinking about getting the assorted pack It's a few different little things that I need in that I can use, and we can kind of just kill a lot of birds with one stone. Then they have ones like this, depending on the application that you need or what you're using it for. Or then you can just get the full electric kit, which I might just get that because it's got everything you need. Zip ties included, extra wiring, electrical tape, all the different little pieces and whatnot. I'm gonna look through that some more and see exactly what I need. I know that has what I need for today, but that has what I might need tomorrow. Never know. Then they have these too. Those aren't bad for the price. I don't know how good they work. They're EverStart. Not too sure on it, but if I do decide to get it, I'll do a separate video on the unboxing, unpackaging, or whatever you want to call it. So until then, let me go ahead and gather all my thoughts and see exactly what I want. It's always good to have stuff like that. 18, 12, 12. Just have some good gauge wire just laying around. Might get some of that too as well. But I'll get back with y'all at checkout. Peace.
All the way up. But certain scrapyards, they're picky as fuck. They're like, oh, we need the title and blah, blah, blah. Why can't you just put the title if they're all set up?
So y'all see what we got, y'all. This shit is amazing. This is amazing. Like, y'all see it? Can't beat that for $7. I don't know the quality, but I don't even care for $7. We're gonna put it to the test though. And if it's good, decent quality, we're gonna let Walmart know that it's decent quality. Look at that, you can't beat that for $7. Come on, y'all, look at all of this. Christmas ain't over either, y'all. So if y'all know somebody who work on cars or work on their house or do whatever, man, come get them some of this. Look at that. Look at that. Like I said, I don't know the quality. Hyper tough though. We're gonna check y'all out. We're gonna see what y'all do. Hey man, what's your name, brother?
Joseph.
Hey man, holla at this guy if y'all want some roof cut out. All right, man, have a good one, brother.